That's me. You're probably wondering how I ended up in this situation.
Now, got a slight surprise for you. I hope you don't mind, but I changed our seats.
Excellent.
So we're now sat at the front. Ready to start champagne?
Awesome. Stuck to the hotel door that we can't read.
Just arrived here in Maria Alm.
And they're not back until 8:30 or 9 o'clock, but we can't read it.
Well, Malcs just said, it's alright, look at the view, alright. And ski lift's apparently over there. Anyway, we're here safe. Right, it is 02/02/2022, the 2nd of February 2022, and we are still here in Maria Alm, enjoying ourselves in copious amounts of snow. Look at that. That was just a flat lawn yesterday. You're probably wondering why I'm not carrying a snowboard, and that's because my board is in for a service for the 2nd time this trip, as I managed to find the only metal post in a snowy field. Is that fair?
Yep.
So we are currently embarking on our walk to the resort. We are staying up there, Pension Koidl, and our walk basically consists of this, down this path, and then along that road all the way into the village. So it is a bit of a walk, but we're getting on with it. But we're really enjoying it here. I think the other thing I mentioned is every single restaurant we've been in is exquisite, and the food is to such a high standard. I would be happy if I took my family out for a fancy meal at any of these. But they're fancy in the sense that they're not excluding. I think you'll feel welcome in all of them. So we've been thoroughly impressed with the standard of the food. And probably eating too well, aren't we, Malcs?
Far too well.
Far too well. But it's incredibly reasonably priced as well. You know, some long-term subscribers of this channel actually realised that the first video on this channel was us snowboarding over 11 years ago, to the very month. Right, onwards to get my board. Quick review of the night skiing here. Mondays, Wednesdays, Fridays. It's worth doing it one night for a laugh. Do it with a mate. Don't do it by yourself like I've done it. That's silly. Alright, it's day 5 on the snow. And we've come over to Salzburg. Found that river.
Yeah.
Here we go, we're documenting our favourite bar on the mountain, which is Tom's. Look at that view.
Hello.
This place here, if you're heading to Maria Alm, we highly recommend you come up to the top of the first bub, wasn't it?
Natron bun.
Natron bun.
Barn.
Barn. Barn. Barn. Barn. Barn.
Or Sonnenberg barn.
But yeah, very nice food, very nice beer. A very good day today. Probably our best day, yeah? Yeah.
Skål.
Skål.
I'm gonna ditch the helmet, I think.
Safety. 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 Gotta wear a helmet. Even if your helmet doesn't have a camera on it, you've got to wear a helmet. Last down the mountain, and Malcs decided to take us, I don't know where, but if someone finds this GoPro, they'll know what happened to me.
Zigzag our way in and then we're into that open powder field. So it's just about whether we just follow them. Or whether we go down here.
You're cool. Suppose we can come back and do it again.
There's enough tracks going down here, aren't there?
Yeah.
It'll be dicey. It'll be alright.
Yeah. Good now. Woohoo! I made that look good, didn't I? Woohoo! I can see that pole that I hit.
Yeah, can you?
Yeah, all the way over there. Can't see it when it's a foot in front of me. I can see it from here. Whee! Oh, there you are. Whee, bouncy! It's one of those poles. There's one of those poles back there. There we go. Holiday's over.
Hooray!
We have to go back to being adults next week, don't we?
Oh, I don't want to be a grown up again.
We've had a good time, very good time. But our legs hate us and they can't wait to go home. But there we go, we're just waiting for our EDER taxi to take us back to Salzburg airport. And then we'll be flying back to London Heathrow. But I reckon we might be back to Austria.
Yeah, I reckon.
Yeah, I just want to go back to Tom's. All done. Right, as always, remember to like, comment, share and subscribe. We'll see you in the next one. Alright, see ya.